This week we'll be discussing the American DJ Hexstar 575W. American DJ opened up shop in 1985. They developed and released 1,000 products over the years, and ADJ Hexstar 575 was just one of their best sellers. American DJ released this light in the early 2000s. The unit operates on 120 volts and it requires a 12 amp breaker. There are 6 rotating drums. Each rotating drum has 22 mirrors glued to it. There are also 6 convex lenses on the external case. The mirror drum is mounted to a flexible flange mount that allows it to adjust as it rotates. There are 6 internal convex lenses. There are 6 color gels. As you can see, the glass gel light assembly also rotates. The lamp is 575 watts at 120 volts and it sits in the center of the fixture. The clamp that we use to mount or hang the unit is one of ADJ's newest designs. This awesome 1.5 clamp encases the tubular frame, providing a better weight distribution, and it does not scratch the paint. The entire unit weighs only 18 pounds. Like previous attachments or clamps, it is mounted on top of the unit. Due to the amount of grease and dirt buildup, we had to use vinegar to clean the unit. It took about an hour of time. The there you have it, the ADJ Hexstar 575W disco light. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the bell notification. Have a great day.